Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop this beautiful 2019 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It's a four-wheel drive vehicle, absolutely cool machine. Only 14,000 miles. The owner calls her garage queen. He has many Toyotas. There's the Tundra and some others, I believe. So this one doesn't get much use. Got another engine oil. But the main reason this baby is here is apparently famous 4Runner nosedive. And many of you experts and owners of 4Runners keep saying on forums or in videos that the suspension is too soft in the front. When you apply the brakes, the whole thing goes down. And I will agree, just driving it around or in the garage, the way the brakes kind of grab, despite the fact you apply them a little bit or normally, the whole truck, whole 4Runner is really, it dives on the front, and it's different than, let's say I have outside behind the door, I have 2007 Sequoia. I had to test drive her for the oil leak, unfortunate rear main. So I can immediately compare these two vehicles. The Sequoia is stock, and you apply the brakes. There's nothing, there's no dive in the front. So this owner loves this baby. He's on the forums, he knows more than I know about this particular generation. And following your guys' experience with this problem, he brought me a bunch of Bilsteins, and we will be improving this situation. Let me show you what is here on the table. So apparently, you guys shared with each other that you can put in front this adjustable Bilstein shock. And if you look here, there is like a little ring which is movable. And if you look in the instructions, you can see that the very bottom, it's the standard height as suspension which is on this 4Runner. But if you go one up, which all of you say that's the fix, you will gain 0.85 of inch average lift. You will lift the front tiny bit using that original spring which is there in that strut, which I will just show you in a second. So he listened to those who said that Bilstein 5100 series, which you can see here. This one says B85100. This should fix that problem. So I'm going to replace it, including the rear shocks. That's what you can see here. Two rear shocks. Here are the numbers again. Somebody wants to follow his experience or the results we will gain in just a few minutes, because I will be not filming this. I can't deal with it today, but I will show you after result, and I will give you some commentary because I felt that dive. It's definitely there. So we will go ahead, replace the shock in the front strut. The coil will be the same, which is interesting, but apparently it works regarding some of you who did that. Apparently that very little lift will stiffen the front and it will stop diving. So let me remove the wheels and show you that stock setup. Some of the comments I believe were that you can also improve that situation with the tires, which will have a stronger sidewall, so when you are braking they will be not giving so much. But I think these are pretty hardcore wheels and tires, so I bet there will be some change in the behavior when we will be done. And here is the last look on that OEM setup. So it's a Toyota Tokiko, Japan. You can hopefully see the number, what is being removed. Here you see that whole strut and the top of it. So that will be modified and we will see if it will bring any positive change. So I just got this 4Runner off the lift. This is how it looks. Obviously these rear shocks are not affecting the vehicle stance. They are not lifting. They have a bigger play, right? So there's bigger range, but the height of the vehicle is decided by the spring. Here the struts, right? We should have that 0.87 of inch up. We should be higher. But this was about the stiffness. Let's hop in and feel if there is any difference. You will see that incredible cleanliness of this vehicle. She's like brand new. The owner is the proud owner of these vehicles. He has, what is it? Tundra, right? Some more. So let's see how it will be reacting, right? I felt it driving into the shop. We don't need to go on the test drive. I don't have a time. I still have to give it to the neighbor, the landlord, who will do the front alignment after this upgrade. But now I'm putting it in the drive. And let's see, because it was really diving. Oh yeah, it does it, but way less. There is, guys, a difference. I'm kidding you not. I don't think this is induced by my brain, the wishy-washy feeling. No, I don't think so. I'll show you that front. Normal braking like before it dove way more. Still soft, but I'm pretty sure the owner will love this. Yeah, that is definitely improved. So she's going to get a line on the rack right at the neighbor. Alignment, it's like what, $130, that's extra. I was wrenching like maniac to have it done today, and it took me careful because I don't want to scratch anything. Everything is brand new. It took me 3.5 hours, front and back. I'm completely soaked like a pig by the sweat. It's really trying to have it done. Bunch of scratches on the arms, but it's fine. It's done. It's perfect. Everything is torqued correctly, so I can drive, give it to the alignment, and finish the paperwork. So I hope you find this video helpful. I try to show all the details on it, and if you like it, give it a thumb up, please. That's always helpful. And be subscribed. Have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend. Of course, this video won't be finished without a proper test drive. What do you say? So the vehicle is back from alignment. The owner didn't come yet. Well, I would love to show you how it feels or what's the difference. So, you know, that was the previous braking. That's a bumpy road, but it was always diving a lot. Now it's not really moving. It definitely improved. I'm surprised even how much. I'm pretty sure he will be very happy. As I said, this is bumpy road. It's good for test drives actually, but you see it moves, of course, as every single vehicle does. But this actually, it's closer to that absolutely everyday normal reaction which you get from the car. So awesome. I will definitely say there is a difference, and I will recommend this to everybody.